Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your EDIFIER HECATE GX07 are charging? So you can connect your charging case to the power. At the back side we have USB-C port, so you need to use USB-C cable. And if you see the LED light on the sides after you connect it, it means that your charging case are charging. Now, we haven't the LED light for the earbuds, so how we can check it is to open EDIFIER Connect app. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then you will see them. Maybe let's disconnect it from the phone, then reconnect it. Sometimes it happened with this application. You can also try to remove this application from the cache. So right here you need to check how much battery you have on your earbuds, then put it to the charging case and connect the charging case to the power, and after some time, let's say 10 minutes, you just return to the application. So we need to reconnect them with the phone, and then you can check it in the application. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.